Previously, we learned about the definition of a formal letter. And we learned that a formal letter is a letter written or printed. So it means that a letter written or printed to officials, government officials, schools, institutions. So it means that a formal letter is a written or printed message that we write to officials. These officials are people who are not known to us. In this lesson, we shall be looking at the part of a formal letter. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to be able to identify and explain the part of a formal letter. Now let us identify the part of a formal letter. The writer's address. So, formal letter. The writer's address. This is my page. The writer's address consists of two addresses. The first one will be written at the right-hand corner on top of the page. So this is my address. Assume MA Basic School. P.O. Box 1030 Wager, Accra. Then I write the date as well. 20th March 2021. Very good. After this is the sender's address. This is my address. After this, then I will write the recipient address. The recipient address is written at the left-hand corner, below the sender's address. So I'm going to write the recipient address, the one who receives the message or the letter. So I am writing a letter to the manager of a company. The name of the company is Rainbow Concept. Then I have P.O. Box here. '73. Then I write Dansuman, Accra. So this is the recipient address. Why is it a recipient address? Because we are writing a letter to an official who is unknown to me, seeking for unemployment. So the next thing is the greetings or salutation. How do I greet him? All right, dear sir. So when the person is a male, then we have to use sir. When the person is a female, then we have to use madam, dear madam. The next part of the formal letter is the letter headline or title. So I'll write here application in capital letters. Application for employment. For employment. Very good. Then you underline. This is the title or the heading of the letter. The next one is the body or the message of the letter. That is the reason why you are applying for the employment. What is the purpose? What is the reason of writing the letter? That is the application for employment. What type of skill do you have? What type of work do you want to perform at the workplace? You have to include all these items. The next one is the closing or ending. That is the subscription. So here you write your message. In the next lesson, we shall be looking at more details about the formal letter. So the subscription, you write yours faithfully here. Yours faithfully here. Followed by a signature. So your signature can be, maybe you just write your signature like this. After that, you write your full name. This is my full name. Very good. The next one is the writer's signature and full name. So far, we have studied about the formal letter, and we have identified the meaning of a formal letter, that they are letters that we write. They are written and printed message to offices, institutions, schools, etc. We also identify the part or features of a formal letter. It contains 2 addresses. It has a date. It also has the salutation. It has title or heading. It also contains introduction and then body or message. In the next lesson, we shall be looking at an example of a question of a formal letter. See you in the next lesson.